Football lovers, welcome to my films. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so you get the daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. First, Leicester believes Chiefs can topper Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs new signing Etienne Leicester believes that if there is any team that can top the Sundowns dominant in the Premiership, it is Amakos. Leicester joined Chiefs on a free transfer from Port Vale in England, where he was playing for the past 2 seasons. He believes that Chiefs is going to dominate Premiership. If you want to know more about Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so you will be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs.